In this video, I'll be giving you an introduction to social media. What is social media? It has two words. Social, which means interacting with people, and media, in this case it refers to the internet, but media can be like the radio or TV. So social media is electronic communication on apps and websites where people can interact. They can share information, ideas, personal messages, videos, photos, and much more. There are lots of different types of social media. We have social networks. Those, I think, are what we think of when we think of social media, like Facebook and Twitter. Basically, people can connect with each other. Photo/media sharing networks are also becoming more popular. These allow you to share photos and videos and other media like Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. There are messaging apps that are a type of social media like WhatsApp, Viber, and WeChat. These apps allow you to message privately over the internet. There are discussion forums where you can share knowledge, opinions, and the news, like Reddit. There are bookmarking and content curation networks where you can discover, save, and share content. So, for example, Pinterest. This website allows you to share your ideas of design. Let's say you like designing bedrooms. You can share that and save it. Blogging, so if you like writing, essays, and that type of thing, this is a longer format where you're writing paragraphs and essays. WordPress, Tumblr, Medium, so you can share your writing and people can comment. Consumer review networks allow you to view and publish reviews. Do you give it 5 stars, 3 stars, like Yelp and TripAdvisor? There are social shopping networks like Etsy that allow you to shop online, and people who make jewelry or make different clothes, let's say, they can start their business and sell their products on Etsy. Sharing economy networks. Okay, in this one you trade goods and services, like OfferUp. Maybe you want to sell a desk or an old bike. You can put it on OfferUp. Or Care. This is a social networking site where people offer care services like dog watching or child care or elderly care. So there's lots of different types of social media. Okay, the first step is setting up an account. When you choose a social media network, usually you go to the home page or you download the app, and you usually need to set up an account first. You enter your email or your phone number and write your name, create a username and password, or sometimes they allow you to log in with Facebook or Google. It depends on the website. After you log in, you're usually taken to a newsfeed. Okay, but after you set up an account, you usually have the opportunity to set up your profile with a picture. You can add friends, you can add some bio information or websites. And to find your profile, you always click on your account. So this is for Facebook, and this is for Instagram. So to go to your profile, you click here, and you can click here to edit. And then on your profile page, you can see your information, and you can also see your latest, all your posts. Oh, on Facebook, after you set up your account, you can always click here to edit. Okay. So usually what we see in social networks is like a timeline, news feed, activity feed. All the websites have a different name for it, but it's kind of the same thing. Like here on Facebook, we have a timeline. So if you scroll down, you'll see the posts of all your friends or the people you're following. And one thing here is called a post. A post. How do you make a post on Facebook? You'll see this bubble that says what's on your mind, and you'll click here, or you can start a live video, insert a photo, or insert a live event. And then you type, or you can choose one of these options here. Now, on Facebook, when you post something, you have the option to choose who can see your post. You can decide on the audience. You would click here, and you can decide who you want to see, who you want to allow to see that post. Do you want anyone in the public, just your friends, or some friends, except or only me, specific friends, or you can customize. On Instagram, you click the plus sign to make a post. And then you would select a picture or video from your phone or your computer. And then cool thing about Instagram is they have different filters to give your photo a different look. And you can also make other different adjustments. Facebook and Instagram also have these things called stories. And these are videos or pictures that are temporary. And you can add music, text, and more. Some social media platforms like Instagram allow you to DM your friends or send direct messages. You would click on this icon to send a message. You can make friend requests, so you can follow people, or other people can request to be your friend. I recommend that you know the person or company before you add them as a friend for your own privacy and security. Many people like to post comments under other people's posts. You can also like a post or choose a reaction like love, care, or some kind of emoji or face, like a smiley face or cry face. I recommend being kind to others. There's a lot of cyberbullying that occurs in the comments on social media that are hurtful. So please be kind. It's important to be aware of your privacy settings on social media. And also be careful what you post. If you don't want your friends or your coworkers or your boss to see it, then maybe don't post it. Privacy settings in Facebook. You would click on this arrow and go to Settings and Privacy, and then click on the Privacy tab, and then you can go through this to decide how you want to set up your privacy. And for Instagram, you're going to click on your profile, the settings, and then click on the Privacy and Security tab and go through and choose your privacy settings. Okay, so this was an introduction to social media, and we'll be working more in class to learn how to set up the privacy settings, and I will post some links so you can explore and learn more about different social media. Bye!